Hey everyone! Ever find yourself spending way too much time searching for that one elusive document buried somewhere in your digital clutter? Yeah, me too. In today's world, we're drowning in information emails, files, documents, you name it. It's like trying to find a needle in a digital haystack. But what if I told you there's a way to transform all that chaos into your very own mind palace? That's where AI Wize comes in. AI Wize is equipped with features like bulk uploads, smart tagging, and advanced search tools that can help you regain control over your digital space. Imagine having a digital library where every piece of information is perfectly organized and instantly accessible, right at your fingertips. No more endless scrolling, no more frustration. Sounds pretty amazing, right? Well, stick around, and I'll show you how AI Wise can turn your digital chaos into an organized haven, helping you reclaim time, reduce stress, and unlock your full productivity potential. Let's talk about the elephant in the room information overload. Did you know the average person spends nearly 20% of their workweek just searching for information? That's an entire day each week lost. According to a recent IBM study, this overload doesn't just waste time, it increases stress, contributes to burnout, and leads to missed opportunities when important insights are buried in data. Sound familiar? With AI Wise, you don't just manage information, you master it. Imagine a system that organizes your files, categorizes, tags, and structures them so you can focus on what truly matters creating, learning, and innovating. Before we dive into how to build this digital mind palace, let me share a real life example. In 2023, IBM rolled out AI tools to help manage their vast amount of internal data. Employees saved up to 3 hours a week that were previously lost to information hunting. The impact? Higher productivity, reduced burnout, and improved team collaboration. One IBM employee put it best: it's like having a personal librarian who knows exactly where everything is stored and can retrieve it in seconds. So, how do we build this digital mind palace with AI Wise? It's simpler than you might think. First up, centralize your information. Gather all your files, emails, and documents into one location. AI Wise's bulk upload feature makes it super easy to bring everything under one roof, where it can be analyzed and organized efficiently. Think about what you often struggle to find in your digital files. Next, let's talk about automatic categorization and smart tagging. AI Wise automatically categorizes and tags your files based on their content. So everything has its place without you lifting a finger. This doesn't just save time, it prevents you from losing critical information in the shuffle. Plus, AI Wise's advanced search features let you filter by keywords, timeframes, or document types to find exactly what you need fast. Then, create custom categories. Use AI Wise's customization options to set up categories that fit your unique projects. For example, if you're managing a marketing campaign, you might create categories like strategy, budget, and analytics. This flexibility turns your workspace into a personalized knowledge hub. Finally, set up advanced retrieval tools. Search functionality is key to any efficient information system. AI Wise's advanced retrieval tools, like save searches and smart filters, allow you to find frequently accessed documents instantly. Imagine never having to dig through old emails again for that critical piece of data. How awesome would that be? So, are you ready to set up your own AI Wise Mind Palace? Here's a quick guide to getting started. First, centralize your files. Start by consolidating your documents, emails, and other resources in AI Wise. Use the bulk upload feature to streamline the process. Next, customize categories and tags. Tailor AI Wise's organizational structure to match your workflow by creating categories specific to your projects or goals. Then, leverage smart tagging and filtering. Apply tags and use AI Wise's filtering features to make file retrieval faster and easier. You'll be amazed at how much time you save. Finally, automate workflows for continuous organization. Enable AI Wise's automated workflows to handle document tagging, sorting, and even reminders for follow ups. This will free up time for higher priority tasks. Now, it's challenge time. I want you to try building your own mind palace. Choose a current project and upload all related files to AI Wize. Set up custom categories, apply tags, and use the advanced search tools to create a structured, easy to navigate digital space. After a week, reflect on the difference. Chances are you'll find it way easier to locate information and stay focused on your goals. And please share your experiences with the challenge in the comments. Your feedback will help create a sense of community and shared learning. Your digital mind palace awaits. The beauty of a well organized digital space is more than just convenience, it's about freeing mental energy and reducing stress. Are you ready to transform your digital clutter into a structured, accessible repository of knowledge? Head over to AIWise.com to get started on your journey to a more organized, productive life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tips on mastering your digital world. Also, share your thoughts. Drop a comment below about your biggest challenges with information overload or how you plan to build your own mind palace. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep innovating and stay productive.